and go ahead and share my screen. All righty. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for the introduction and the opportunity to present. My name is Jeff Watkin, Director of Marketing for Sev-Rend, and we are here today to proudly present our sustainable packaging solution options for the ever-evolving market. First, I would like to offer a little background on Sev-Rend as a company. We're a family-owned manufacturer of high-performance packaging that has proudly served the produce industry for almost 30 years. Sev-Rend was originally founded with a focus on tags and labels for the fresh produce, such as onions, potatoes, and citrus. As our industry has evolved, so has our company. Our packaging portfolio now includes flexible packaging, stand-up pouches, soft tubular netting called SoftNet, which has been popular in the rapidly growing commodity markets such as apples, avocados, sweet potatoes, just to name a few. Our facility is located outside St. Louis, Missouri, and Collinsville, Illinois. With our headquarters being centrally located in the U.S. and distribution centers strategically located in California, New Jersey, and Mexico, we can easily serve our clients with a speed-to-market approach that is often needed in our world today. We work with a wide range of growers and packers across the industry. In addition, we work to exceed expectations while working directly with major retailers to assist with support ranging from packaging design and artwork to innovation, constructions, and overall marketing. Our dedication to the mutual success of growers and packers and retailers alike directly ensures consistent success and support for your brand. We are also proud to be a leader within the sustainable realm. We are lucky to have deep partnerships with groups such as Smart Plastic and Green Blue, and are proud members of the Sustainable Packaging Coalition and How to Recycle programs, along with several others. Even though the term sustainability has been greenwashed incessantly, there are several challenges we continue to face in terms of single-use plastics. Overall, plastics have received a bad rap, and you may call them a necessary evil. However, whether we'd like to think so or not, they are not going away. There are many positives to note for plastics regarding durability, strength, barrier properties, and product preservation for food waste reduction. Currently, there are several options for single-use plastics that help reduce or may even eliminate the footprint that leave at the end of life. But are they beneficial in every aspect? Do they work in the recycle stream? Do they have strength and integrity to hold your beautiful products? Do they degrade in a marine environment? Do they leave microplastics behind? Will they work easily with your current automation equipment? As a company, Sev-Rend views a recyclable option as the packaging's end of life as the most viable outlet due to the infrastructure in place to support this option. As packaging manufacturer, we have been steering our clients this route to ensure that there is a sustainable option available for a majority of us as consumers. But there is still one variable that is truly out of our control. How will the consumer manage the end of life with their packaging? We feel the ultimate solution is one that marries recyclability with zero microplastics. That option is our new patented formulation we have named Bioable Solutions. Working with our partner Smart Plastic, Sev-Rend has developed a single-use plastic packaging option that is recyclable in the first stages of its life, and after 18 months degrades in a short time span. Plastic packaging in a responsible format that is an ideal fit for the fresh produce industry. Our Bioable Solution line of packaging utilizes a patented formulation that aids in the product's biosimulation in the final stages of biodegradation. Definitively, biosimulation means that plastic has degraded to a molecular weight that can be consumed by living organisms. This final stage goes beyond biodegradation and leaves behind no microplastics in both marine and terrestrial environments. Bioable products have a defined usable lifespan of 18 months with a targeted bioassimilation timeline of about 24 months, given the ideal condition of the end-of-life environment. In the first 18 months, Bioable also maintains eligibility for the recycle stream. Sev-Rend currently has Bioable certifications and meets the highest ASTM ratings. The newest line is available in many of our packaging styles, such as netting, flexible packaging, pouches, and wine glass tag applications. There's a unique process for this product's end of functional shelf life. Let me briefly explain the scientific process. After 18 months from the manufacture date, the functional stabilizer is used up in turn, initiating the bioassimilation process. The measure of mass for a product is done in Daltons, which is a unit of molecular mass used in physics. At 200,000 Daltons, the material is fully intact. The material is at its end of programmed useful life prior to 100% natural bioassimilation. At 40,000 Daltons, we begin to see the material transformation where hydrophobic becomes hydrophilic. At this point, the packaging will become brittle and start to show signs of breakdown. At 5,000 Daltons, we see the process of no microplastics taking effect, with the carbon-to-carbon bonds being exposed to microorganisms. At 0 Daltons, the product is completely bioassimilated with nothing left but CO2, water, and biomass. There have been major entities that have tested this formulation through and through to ensure it is a valid application, not only to the one country standards, but all. They, along with the R&D team at Sev-Rend, see biodegradable solutions as a true solution for single-use plastics in the fresh produce industry. Please feel free to reach out to me directly for additional information on this game-changing technology. This slide shows my contact information, and I thank you to the PMA team for putting this webinar together.